Good people, Sanbona. This is a clear example that how powerful we are without any political party, without any political leader. This is a clear example that how united we are without any political party, because it is clear that political parties, political organization, they divide us. This is the will of the people. Like it or not, we are rallying the ideology of March and March. March and March is not a vigilant group. March and March is not a destructive group. March and March is a movement that puts South Africans first. It's a movement that they fix the nonsense that is there in the constitution that says South Africa belongs to everyone who live in it. That's nonsense. Politicians, they are shaking. They are shaking now. They don't want to see us organize ourselves because they know that the people on the ground, they have power more than the people that are on power. We have power on the ground. They are scared of such power. When we unite and say, this is what we want, we are sick and tired about those politicians that they impose their ideology. They tell us instead of listening to us, because we are the one who put them in power. They represent us. If they represent themselves, we are going to leave them alone in there. We are going to reject them because they represent themselves. Leaders, they represent us on the ground. They have to listen to us. When we say illegal foreigners, they must go. Because coming here illegal, it's illegal and it's wrong. There's nothing wrong about that. If they want to come here, they must come here and respect the law. Come here legally so. So who they are, they're going to tell us that we must document them, must do. That's nonsense. We say illegal, it's illegal. Whether, if they want to tell us that even entering a university, you can't enter South African university illegally. So even though you qualify, if they say now there's no space, you cannot enter there. You have to obey the law. Now they tell us about people that come here illegal, that we must just leave them alone. We can't. We can't. We are going to organize ourselves. We rally behind the ideology of March and March. There's no looting that we are doing as March and March. There's no vandalization that we are doing as March and March. Nothing else. We march. We exercise our right. They feel the pain chest. That means why those people without any political party, without any political affiliate, why they organize themselves? They are jealous. That is why they are trying to tarnish. They are shaking now. Any podium, they speak about March and March and trying to tarnish the ideology of March and March. We don't care. We support March and March. We are running behind March and March. Illegal is illegally. If we are not allowed to enter university illegally, how much more about those people that they enter our country illegally? We don't know where they come from. We don't know who they are. If they want to come here, they must come here legally so. After that, slowly but surely, we are not going to vandalize. Even 30 June, there will be no vandalization. There will be no looting. We are still going to march peacefully so and amplify our view. When we say they must go, we don't want people to come here illegally so and disrespect the law. Politicians are shaking. They are wondering that how can. Now is the time, The people shall govern. Nothing for us without us. They must listen to us, like it or not. If they don't want to listen to us, that means they don't represent us. Because we've seen this thing long ago. We've seen this thing. Even the government fails us deliberately so. They know that in order to change a country, it begins with education, especially in foundation phase. And they know the curriculum that is good, that is effective, that is progressive, is Chinese educational system, especially in foundation phase. They don't want to introduce that because they want us to oppress us under this democracy. But now is the time. We are going to march and march until we win, because we are strong enough to do that. Without any political party, without any political affiliate, we are strong as society. We are powerful. Political party divide us. Political party, they're not representing us, majority of them. They represent their political ideology. Enough is enough about their political ideology. Now we are talking about our challenges that we experience on daily basis. Now is the time. We are going to march and march and march and march until we win. They feel the chase pen, they are jealous because there's no vigilant group. We are not vigilant group. We are not vandalizing group. We are not looting group. We are marching peacefully, so demonstrating our right.
Sawubona Mbukeli. Nangu ubhuti encoma ukuthi hayi labantu abagcwele kangaka kuma-march isibonelo leso ukuthi hayi khona amaqembu ezepolitiki ayasihlukanisa, ayasixabanisa. I-March and March akusiyona nje inhlangano elwela amalungelo abantu baseNingizimu Afrika. Ibambumbanise ifuna inhlangano emiselwe ngokulungisa amaphutha enzeka kumthethosisekelo wezwe. Mbukeli, ngicela nawe ubuke le video le bese uphawula ukuthi luthini lwakho udaba ngale nkumelo bhuti. Sihlangane kwelandelayo. Bye bye.